Are you having trouble uploading certain image file types to your WordPress media library? It's showing error when uploading to your site. By default, WordPress restricts the upload of some file types such as SVG, PSD, ICO, and other file types due to security concerns. Fortunately, there's a simple solution. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily allow for additional image types in WordPress using a plugin. Navigate to Plugins. Add New. Search for Upload Any MIME Types. Navigate to Upload Any MIME Type plugin. Install and activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, you will be redirected to the Upload Any MIME Type settings page. You can now enable any image type simply by toggling the switch on. Or search for a certain image file type and press the toggle button to enable it. Go back to the WordPress media library and upload the image file type you have enabled. Your image file will now be successfully uploaded without prompting any error messages.